Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Kubernetes on AWS EKS add-ons. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To activate Kubernetes on AWS EKS add-ons, start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Amazon EKS dashboard. Select the EKS cluster where you want to activate the add-ons. In the cluster details page, look for the add-ons section on the left sidebar. Click on the add-ons option. Here, you will see a list of available add-ons. To add a new add-on, click on the Create Add-on button. Choose the add-on you wish to activate from the list. Configure the add-on settings according to your requirements. Read through the IAM policies that the add-on requires and ensure you have the necessary permissions. Click the Create button to start the activation process. Monitor the progress of the add-on activation in the add-ons section. Once the status changes to active, your add-on is successfully activated. You can now make adjustments or updates to the add-on as needed. Check the documentation for specific configuration options and best practices. Make sure to test the functionality of your activated add-ons to ensure they meet your needs. Now you have successfully activated Kubernetes on AWS EKS add-ons. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.